Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing an apartment tour. An apartment hunting video. So this is going to be the start of my vlog series, my apartment hunting series, touring our apartments, my apartment tour, furnishing my apartment, basically all that jazz. So I've been looking for apartments for the last 1 week since Monday. Um so yeah, yesterday I actually viewed around 5 apartments. So the first one I viewed, I didn't take any videos, but I did take some pictures. So the very first apartment that I toured yesterday was this apartment in Gate C. So when you leave Gate C, Jaquas, like straight ahead, there's this red apartment building called Promised Land. So for context, I'm looking for a 1 bedroom or even a 2 bedroom for the right price. So when you go straight, there's this building called Promised Land. Unfortunately, they didn't have 1 bedrooms, but I did see their bed sitters and they are so cute. So I'm going to put a picture on the screen of how they look like. It was undergoing new renovations, so yeah, it was really cute. I loved the drawers, I loved the kitchen. It was so aesthetic. Like, that's the perfect place for a student to start their, independent life. So yeah, that was the first apartment that we toured. Now, with these apartments around Ecomat or even in Juja in general, they'll always have a flaw. It's either you won't like the kitchen or the bathroom or the bedrooms, they're too small. So it was the same thing, like all the apartments that I've toured, they had one flaw. So yeah, the second apartment that we toured yesterday was this building called Safarinet, I think. Why you this building called Sofarinet. This is a very popular building in Juja, and I loved the kitchen, I loved the bedrooms, I loved the living room space, I loved the washrooms. So this is one of the apartments that I did not like something. So I really liked it. I liked that about it. So this is actually on the list of the apartments that I might move into. Now, the second apartment, which is also around there, there's usually a gym there in Upper Stage Juja. There's a gym there. That building has 2 bedrooms and bed sitters. So I toured the 2 bedroom and I liked everything about it. The only thing that I didn't like was that it had so many things that needed to be fixed. The toilets were messy. They didn't have a normal flashing system, and they couldn't be able to arrange for me that it gets fixed on time, because also the price was really nice for a 2 bedroom. Now today I'm going to be touring apartments on the other side of Juja, that is Juja capital. So I've already exhausted all the apartments on this side, and to be honest, they're either too expensive or they have a flaw. Other than the one that I've just showed you, the Sofarinet, which might be the one that we actually move into, then there's no other apartment that really sparked joy in me, I guess. So yeah, I'm going to be touring the apartments on the other side. I've already toured two level suites, and the one thing that I didn't like about two level suites was the bathrooms, like brown bathrooms. I like it when my bathroom is white, if it's so that I can see the dirt in the bathroom. Otherwise, I'm not gonna clean the bathroom. So yeah, basically I want white bathrooms. I want a nice kitchen. If it's an open kitchen, the better. I want a nice living room. I want the bedrooms to be big enough for a bed, a vanity, and basically space for me to film. It has to have good lighting. So basically, those are my key areas that I'm looking at. So yeah, I'm really excited to go to that side because that side has one of the most beautiful apartments. Tulivo Suites being one of them. Pulse Palace being another one, and that one is usually so hard to come by. But as of this moment, as we're speaking right now, they actually have a vacancy. Meow meow. They actually have a vacancy for a 1 bedroom. So if you are looking to go into 2 bedroom vacancy, so if you are looking to book a place in Pulse Palace and you're watching this video in Juja, go right now. Today is March 29th. No, today is March 30th. So yeah, go today. You'll find a vacancy. So yeah, I was actually supposed to move there, but again, the prices. I don't know. Like, I've seen the place and I'm like, okay, fine. You'd rather move into the penthouse, but that's just my opinion. So we're going to go and tour the other places. I can't wait. And also another thing that I'm doing today is I'm going to get my hair done today. I haven't done my hair in so long. So this is the hair that I'm planning to put on. It's really, really beautiful. Like, I absolutely love this color. Can you guys see that? It has a really pretty color. So I'm going to go do this after checking out our apartment. It's currently 9 a.m. And I suggest if you're looking for apartments, it's better to go in the morning because that's when the caretakers are usually around. Otherwise, there are times when you go visit apartments in the evening and you'll find no one to show you the apartment. So yeah, let's go. So this is the first apartment that we are looking at. It's actually a bed sitter. This is how it looks like. It's very, very spacious. There's the view. It's actually a new building. These are the wardrobes, the taps. They have very fresh water. And then we have the bathroom. So this is the bathroom, also very, very huge. This is the mirror. My hair is falling out. Yeah, this is how it looks like. It's dark because there are no lights, so yeah. Otherwise, this is the entire view of the apartment. We're going to get out, and this is the door. This is door number 6. That's the overview of the apartment. So we're actually looking for 1 bedroom, and this is a bed sitter. So yeah, let's go to the next apartment. Also, this apartment has a lift. Yeah, but we're using the stairs. So let's go check out the next apartment. Now, on to the next apartment, you guys. I really love this apartment. It had the most gorgeous aesthetics. So here we have an open kitchen, which is not so open, but you would consider it as an open kitchen. I love the cabinetry, the lighting, the gypsum lighting. This place overall looked like it was designed by a Muslim or an Arab or Indian, or, you know, because of all the, I don't know, you'll see the design and you'll see what I'm talking about. But this is the entryway towards the kitchen, and as you can see, it has a lot of cabinetry. There's a balcony in the kitchen, then there's the bathroom. The bathroom would have been better if it was white, but it's still okay. There's not too much going on. Now for the bedroom, I love that they installed a mirror here for when you're walking in, when you want to look at yourself. But to me, it was a bit small for 2 people. As you can see, it has a lot of cabinetry. There's the mirror next to the washroom, and then there was a lighting just below the mirror. I overall love this apartment. Also, there's not much of a view towards the window of the bedroom, but it's okay. But overall, this apartment looks really, really dope. But I loved the 2-bedroom even better, and that's what we're going to check out next. They change color. Huh? Wow, this one is beautiful. On your storage is zote, man. There's a balcony right there. Here's the toilet, a mirror, and then a bathroom right here. Yo, you guys, as you can see, we were both really excited to view this apartment. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, it's so beautiful. Wow, 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 wow. So this is the first bedroom, and then this is the master bedroom. So I don't know if the lights work. Okay, the lights don't work, but this is so big. So huge. Oh my god. And this is the bathroom. Absolutely stunning. Okay, so we're going to check out the kitchen balcony. Okay. I'm vibing with this. Lakini pia hii haina light sana. What do you think? It's the next day. Yesterday I couldn't get around to filming this outro because I got back really late. My head was hurting from the heat, from everything, like getting my hair done and everything. But this is what we did. It's like a French curl. I don't know what they're called. French curl, French braid, whatever it is. I don't know. But I've been meaning to do this hairstyle for a long time. But anyways, so yesterday we were meaning to tour like a lot of apartments, but we only got around to touring like 3 of them. And it's because I finally found the one. Like I found the one that spoke to me. Comment down below which house, which apartment you think that is, which apartment you think I'll be moving into. Is it apartment number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Like comment down below. But yeah, this is going to be a new beginning for us. I can't wait to move into that apartment. Right now I'm just waiting to get my deposit and finally move. I'm so excited. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you found the apartment hunting series fun, and I can't wait for you guys to join me in this new journey of me moving out, furnishing the apartment, basically everything. I'm going to include you guys in everything. So yeah, I will need help also choosing designs, like how I'm going to decorate my place. Like I'll just need your help. So yeah, comment down below what you guys thought of this apartment hunting video, and yeah, subscribe to my channel to join the family. Subscribe to follow me on Instagram as well, because I'm going to be asking you guys on my stories what you guys think of whatever furniture I'll be meaning to buy. I don't know, but yeah, I just feel so excited for this new journey, and yeah, I can't wait. So that's it for today's video. Bye.
If not now, then let's not force it.